we'll guide you through how to make double exposure in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin creating a double exposure effect. Once Lightroom is launched, import the two photos you want to use into the application. After both photos have been imported, select the primary photo from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, click the masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for the main subject in the photo. Use the masking tools to create a mask around the subject so you can make selective edits without affecting the entire image. After creating the mask, adjust the exposure and contrast settings to improve the brightness and depth of the primary photo. Increase or decrease these sliders until the subject has the desired appearance. Next, open the second photo in a separate window for reference. Use the second image as a visual guide while editing the primary photo so you can achieve a similar style and appearance. After opening the reference image, match the color tones of both photos by adjusting the color settings in the primary image. Modify the white balance, color temperature, tint, and other available color controls until the tones closely resemble those in the second photo. If needed, refine the mask by adjusting its edges or adding and removing masked areas to improve the subject selection. Continue by adjusting the highlights and shadows to balance the lighting and create a more natural blend between the edited areas. Review the blended effect by comparing the edited image with your intended result and checking that the lighting and colors appear consistent. If necessary, make additional adjustments to the exposure, contrast, masking, highlights, shadows, or color settings until you achieve the desired look.